stress.
Was Anna Nicole having big-time money problems? And is Howard K. Stern in his own financial mess? And does this video provide any important information in the pending civil suit over the Horizons house? Our panel is still with us. Pam, I suppose that this video wouldn't be particularly interesting to someone investigating her death, but there's this ongoing civil suit. Howard K. Stern remains in that house and has made no legal claim. He just stays in the house. But I suppose this video would have some bearing on it. Agree?
Yes, she certainly sounds like she has a sense of entitlement in it, doesn't she? Although we all know she put no money down on the house, and now she's claiming that it was a gift. And then she's cursing Larry Burkhead, saying he's not even the effing father. It's really amazing to me that she's blaming everything on everybody else when she put no money at all down on that home.
You know, Jeff, right after that child was born, Larry Burkhead did everything he could. He filed a paternity action. I think it was probably about less than about 2 weeks later. And it seems that it seems almost that she's so remote. That for some reason she won't agree on the house. She won't agree to the baby test. I mean, she certainly seems like a troubled woman, to put it politely.
Yeah, she sounds like she's hiding the truth, and she doesn't want the truth to come out. And I've always been amazed that Larry Burkhead has been so quick to say, just get the DNA test. Just get me that DNA test. I can prove I'm the father. That doesn't sound like somebody that really has no idea that he's the father or thinks that he's not, and that this is some publicity stunt. And why would Howard K. Stern really be fighting this? It's what you said weeks ago, which was there's an easy way to resolve this. Just get the DNA test. We can resolve this in just a couple hours.
Pam, on Monday, 10:30 a.m., Dr. Perper is supposed to make the announcement, and it's sort of interesting. He's going to determine what the cause and manner. We're all guessing that it's drugs. If he says it was an accidental overdose, how much weight does the prosecutor looking at this matter give that determination?
Well, if it's accidental, I think it's most likely going to end there, Greta. I think from all the videos that we've seen, the significance, I think, is that this woman was on such a combination of drugs for so long that it probably or very likely could be a great combination of drugs in her body, as well as her body probably just deteriorated from all the drug use. So
except let me ask you some question. We only got 10 seconds left. If you knew someone was in that rough a shape, if you knew someone was in that bad drugs, would you ever in the wildest dreams, I don't even know that it happened, either hand her drugs or prescribe her drugs in the 2 weeks leading up to her death? And is that the question, Pam?
Of course not, you wouldn't. And you have a medical doctor on video, we know it was at Christmas, but prescribing her drugs, which is ridiculous. So at the very minimum, the medical board is going to be looking at these physicians who were involved.
All right, and we don't know for sure if anyone was prescribing them, and hopefully we'll at least learn a little bit more on Monday and maybe in the days to come. Monday, indeed. Yes. Pam, Jeff, thank you both.